CIET NCERT presents audiobook Interactions. Activity book on listening and speaking for classes 6 to 10.
Page 11.
Chapter 5 Entertainment.
Learning Outcomes. 1.
Learners will be able to listen for gist, specific information, and detail in the given text.
2.
Learners will be able to learn about the origin and popularity of the cartoon show.
3.
Learners will be able to listen carefully and identify the main points of the text.
4.
Learners will be able to explore their preferences for entertainment programs.
5.
Learners will be able to express themselves clearly in complete sentences. Now we will move to the appendix of Chapter 5 on page 140. Appendix 5. Here is a conversation between Karthik, Girija, Vani, narrator, and Mrs. Rao. Karthik and Girija say, "Hi Vani."
Hi, Vani.
Vani says,
Hi, Karthik. Hi, Girija. Karthik says,
"Aren't you coming out to play?" Vani says,
No, today I'm going to see the Tom and Jerry film, The Magic Ring on TV.
Girija says,
Oh, yes, I forgotten. Today there is a special show of the film, The Magic Ring at 5 o'clock. Karthik says,
"Do you know what is it about?" Vani says,
In this film, Tom gets a magic ring, but before he can make use of it, the ring gets stuck on Jerry's head. Karthik says,
"That sounds interesting. Let's all watch the film together."
Narrator says,
Vani, Girija, and Karthik sit in front of the TV. Vani's mother, Mrs. Rao, joins them. Mrs. Rao says,
So all of you are waiting for Tom and Jerry film, huh?
Vani says,
Yes, Mom.
Girija and Karthik say, Yes, Auntie.
Yes, Auntie.
Mrs. Rao says,
Do you know when this show started?
Vani says,
No, we don't. Please tell us about it, Mom.
Mrs. Rao says,
The Tom and Jerry show was started in 1940 by Hanna-Barbera for MGM Cartoon Studio. Their animation film about a cat and mouse titled Pussy Gets the Boot was an instant hit and was nominated for the Academy Awards.
Vani says,
Were they called Tom and Jerry even then? Page 141.
Mrs. Rao says,
Oh no. At first, Tom was a white cat called Jasper and Jerry was Jinx.
Girija says,
When did the Tom and Jerry show start as a TV program?
Mrs. Rao says,
In 1957, MGM Cartoon Studio closed. Between 1975 and 1977, Hanna-Barbera's company created new Tom and Jerry episodes for television. Karthik says,
Auntie, why did this cartoon show become so popular? Vani says,
I know, in this show, Jerry the mouse is the one who wins because he is smart. It's Tom the cat who loses and learns not to bully around.
Mrs. Rao says,
You are right, but there is also another reason.
Vani says,
What is it, Mom?
Mrs. Rao says,
You see, there are no dialogues in the show. Therefore, it can be understood by even those who do not follow English.
Girija says,
So people all over the world watch the show, don't they?
Mrs. Rao says,
You are right. Karthik says,
Shh! The show has begun. Let's watch it. Now we will move to Chapter 5 on page 11 for activities.
Page 11. Warm up. A.
Do you like watching cartoons? Which is your favorite cartoon show? Tell your classmates about your favorite cartoon show on TV. You could talk about the following.
1,
What is the program about?
2.
Why do you enjoy watching the program?
Activity 1. Listening. A.
Listen to the talk about the Tom and Jerry show and its creators. As you listen, complete the following statements by filling in the blanks with 3 or 4 words. Before you start listening to the conversation, read the statements so that you know what information you must listen for.
1,
The children were going to see a Tom and Jerry film called blank.
2,
In the film the children are about to watch, Tom, the cat, gets a blank.
3,
The Tom and Jerry films were first produced by blank.
4,
The Tom and Jerry show was started in blank.
5,
Tom was first a white cat called blank, and Jerry was called blank.
6,
2 reasons for the popularity of Tom and Jerry are:
A,
Tom learns blank,
B,
blank, even by those who do not know English.
Page 12. Activity 2. Speaking.
Talk to 6 friends and complete the following questionnaire. The questions are:
1. Name of the student.
2. Favorite cartoon show on TV.
3. Reason for liking it.
4. Frequency of watching it.
5. Learning from the show. B.
Based on your findings, tell your classmates about the cartoon show that is most popular among your friends and reasons for the same. Chapter 5, Entertainment, ends here.
Interactions. Activity book on listening and speaking for classes 6 to 10. You were just listening to this audiobook. Read by Akash and Riya. Recorded by Bati Langlingdo and Vikas Sangwan. Production assistants Tanu Gupta. Directed and produced by Vandana Arimardan. This audiobook is presented to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.